welcome to my channel. It's real sunny over here. Today, if you haven't read the title, today I am doing my iPhone 11 Plus Pro Max, that's a mouthful, unboxing. So I have my iPhone here, I haven't opened it. I've been waiting all day until I got home and settled to do this, and I wanted to do it on camera. And I'm so excited, even though this phone came out months ago and a lot of people did the unboxing like months ago, but I wanted to do it anyway. So we're gonna open this box together because your girl is excited. I'm so excited for this phone. Before I get started, go ahead and like this video, comment down below, subscribe to my channel, and turn your post notification bell on. Also, follow me on my socials. I have them listed in my intro. The box is super cute. It's black and like sleek, and it has paper on there, and we're just gonna rip it all off. Like, what you waiting for? Why wait? So, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Oops, I didn't drop the phone though. It is so freaking beautiful. Oh my gosh. And then obviously whoa. Oh my gosh, for a second I thought these were like AirPods. I was gonna say, they come with AirPods now. But yeah, so we have some, oh my gosh. So we have some headphones here. These are headphones that it comes with. And obviously a charger. It comes with a charger as well. A little different than my normal charger, so that's pretty clutch. And I'm assuming these are instructions, but we don't do instructions around here. So, this is the phone. I'm gonna turn it on. I'm not even used to having a phone that don't have a home button, so like, bear with me, y'all. I really don't know how to use this phone at all. Oh, it's coming on. But I guess while this phone is turning on, I want to show y'all the accessories I got for the phone. Now, I wanted to do like a black on black on black look, real sleek. So I have this Tech 21 all black case. And it's supposed to be really good because my old phone had it, and I dropped my phone like 1,000 times, and my phone has never cracked or broken or anything. So Tech 21, good stuff. So it turned on, and now it says bonjour and hello in different languages and everything. So I'm going to take the paper off. Feeling risque, we risque with it. Like, I could never be one of those people that don't have a case on their phone because I'm clumsy and I drop stuff. Real cute. And it's black and it's just sleek, it's cute. So I also got a pop socket, and I did this black and silver. I thought it was really cute, give it a nice little pop of color, and the silver has like glitter in it, so it's still kind of girly even though it's all black. And I absolutely love pop sockets because when you holding that phone, like, you ain't gotta do all of this. Like, yo, pinky finger don't gotta be at the bottom of your phone. When you have your pop socket, your hands just go here and you can just, yeah. I stuck it right there. I'm trying to get a feel for it, and that's like perfect. So I'm just gonna stick it down, and it's on there. Don't move. So that's my case and my pop socket. I also have a screen protector, and I actually don't know how to put these on, but my boyfriend does, so I'm gonna have him put my screen protector on. So basically what I have done is put my Wi-Fi information in, it scanned my face, and now I put my Apple ID in, and that's all that's happening right now. I can't wait to take my first selfie on this phone. That pretty much wraps up this bar. I'm gonna show you guys what's on my iPhone next. And yeah, And I also didn't mention that I have the 256 gigabyte one, not the 64, just because I had the 64 with my old phone, and because we do like videos and I take lots and lots of pictures, I just need the storage, and I'm tired of having to erase my apps and delete pictures just to make more storage. So I had to get a phone with some more storage in there. So now it's time for the what's on my iPhone part. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the screen, and let's get started. My first page is pretty much just like the basics that it usually comes with, like the photo app, the app store, calculator, calendar, nothing too special. My second page, this is where all my apps are. And my third page is pretty much nothing's there but like the basics again. So all my stuff is pretty much condensed into the second page, and I like categorize them by like what I need it for. So my first app is the Flow app. If you are a girl, I highly recommend the Flow app. It's free. It helps me keep track of like my period, which is the red line you'll see, and then ovulation is the blue, what day you're ovulating most, days that you were intimate. Like, it keeps up with everything, and honestly it's like a lifesaver and a great way to just track your period each month and other girly things. My second file is my music file. First one is Pandora. I haven't listened to that forever, that's why it's not downloaded. Spinrilla just helps me. Basically, it's just another app that has like a lot of new music I've never heard before, so I have that. Next is SoundCloud. I use SoundCloud for songs that are not on Apple, and for my baby's music, y'all go listen to his music. Y'all go listen to my baby's music. And like none of that. And these are his songs. He has Heartthrob, Young, Beep, and In My Zone. They're really good. So that's what I use SoundCloud for. Dropbox. I use Dropbox for if he wants to send me songs. I have some of his songs, his unreleased songs on there. And I also use Dropbox for like YouTube music to put over the videos and stuff. And then next I have Spotify. A lot of people have really cool playlists on there, so I use that for Spotify. My next file is my social file, and that's like the obvious: Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, Tumblr. Triller, I have not started making any videos on my Triller, but I made one for me and AJ, and it's mom and dad, but we haven't posted anything because I can't get into it. Like, I don't know. I'm trying, but I can't. But yeah, and then the two right here, the followers, is really just, it has ads and stuff. But it's really just to keep up with people who are like not following you and stuff like that. And it's good like analytics. So that's there for the social. Business, bank, Cash App, my Discover card, fuel rewards, that's for my gas, like I get cents off. Yes, I need all the coins. And Groupon. Next is my YouTube file, in which I have iMovie, the YouTube app, YouTube Studio, and the thumbnail maker. I don't use thumbnail maker just because they put like a watermark on there and you have to pay in order for it to take it off. But yeah, I still have it downloaded for some reason. Next is my streaming apps file, and that is for Netflix, Hulu. I have Crunchyroll, which is anime, and I haven't used it in a while. And I have Disney Plus now. I just got it last night, so it's lit. Next category is, I call it the you got games on your phone category. And really these are just games that I downloaded when we went to LA. And yeah, just to pass time. So I don't really play these in the house, but if I go on vacation or like a long car ride, then I have some games there just to keep me occupied. Productivity. These are most things that I use for YouTube videos, thumbnails, and for my pictures for like my Instagram and stuff. So we have No Crop. No Crop is just basically an app so that when Instagram like crops your picture, you can go to No Crop. It'll put white on the side, but you'll get your full picture. So that's what I use No Crop for. Huji app is really freaking cool. It's like a camera. Basically, you can take pictures and they'll come out like this, like really old, timey. Yeah, they'll come out like really cool with like lights and stuff. Oh my gosh, I'm trying to show y'all like a good picture, but all of these are so bad. Next is Photoshop. I use that to like cut out pictures and stuff like that. Visco, I think everybody knows what Visco is, and that's just the editor for my pictures and stuff, my thumbnails. Spark Post, a lot of people don't know, but Spark Post is really lit for thumbnails. How I put the words and everything on there. Eraser app, that's self-explanatory. InstaLab, that is basically turning your photo into a oh my god, I can't even say it. Polaroid. Oh my gosh, what was that? But yeah, a Polaroid picture. That's what InstaLab does. I haven't used that in a while. InShot is really lit for editing. So I'll go between InShot, Pocket Video, which I'll show y'all in a little bit, and iMovie. So those three is what I use to edit. And it's really freaking lit. This is my intro I just made last night for my couples channel, which is Mom and Dad. Y'all go subscribe. But basically, like, yeah, so pretty much all of this was done through InShot. Pretty cool. Fonto, that helps with banners and stuff. Like when you need to make a YouTube banner, I'll use that. Pocket Video. Oh my gosh, I love Pocket Video so much. It just lets you, I just wish they would put iMovie, InShot, Pocket Video, like all the things that they can do and put it into one. And that's probably why I need to get a freaking laptop. We've been discussing getting a MacBook, and it probably will let you do a lot more editing on the MacBook. But yeah, so Pocket Video is really freaking dope. And it's where you can put like videos inside of a video, if that makes sense. So how it's like sliding like that, like a slideshow, I do that through Pocket Video. And layout is for collages. Motion portrait is how on my intro, if y'all like my intro, how I'm blinking, I did that through motion portrait. And Facetune, shout out to Aaliyah J, because I watched her editing, her photo editing video recently, and she said she uses Facetune to like smooth out, you know, the imperfections and stuff. And I've never done that. Like I'm not really, like I use filters and stuff, but I'm not a huge fan of like covering, you know, like everything, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, so Facetune is really helpful, just so like, because I usually use filters just because my makeup doesn't look as flawless when I use like an HD camera versus me putting a filter. Then my makeup looks so freaking good, like it's like professional. So yeah, that's pretty much why I use filters on most of my photos, not because I'm like a catfish or something. I just like the fact how it makes my makeup look more clean and precise and like it was professionally done. But yeah, so Facetune is basically supposed to like smooth out your face and just do all these amazing things. Y'all go watch her video if you haven't. Aaliyah J is absolutely lit. So next is entertainment. I don't know why it's under entertainment, but this is my T-Mobile Tuesdays app. If you have T-Mobile, they give you free stuff every single Tuesday, and it's lit. No, it's like free of charge. It comes with your service. So next is my shopping. I have Misguided. I don't know how you say this. I just say ASOS. Is that ASOS? Or I say ASOS sometimes. But ASOS, really lit. Nasty Gal, whoa. I've never bought anything from Nasty Gal. Forever 21, of course. All the basics. Like, I love Forever 21. It's so basic, simple, like, just quick. Like, you know, you need a little outfit to go somewhere real quick. Just quick. But sometimes they be doing too much. Okay, you don't got to put something on all the clothes. Like sometimes plain clothes is okay. All right, next is Pretty Little Thing. Absolutely love Pretty Little Thing. They always have a sale. Boohoo Girls Tour, don't get enough credit. It doesn't get enough credit. Girls Tour, Sorella by Heather Sanders, like absolutely amazing. Like I freaking love Girls Tour. I wish I had more money because I'd just buy it out. But y'all look at this. She has a beautiful boutique. And if my phone would hurry up, I don't know why it's taking so long. Like, this is just the Girls Tour collection. Like, just take a gander. Like, just look at it. Woo! I need to cop this shirt right here, actually. I need it in white and black. This shirt right here, need that. Need that. Heather. Yes, ma'am. Yes. And then Fashion Nova. And then I also have Amazon and Honey. I have yet to use Honey, but I heard it gives you like a bunch of codes, like shopping promo codes to get some cheaper clothes. Daily Life. So I have horoscopes. I haven't used that in a minute, but I like to read my horoscope time to time. And then Infinite Storm. Let me put y'all on because this app is lit. If you have trouble sleeping or you like to hear noise while you sleep, this app is so good. This is my own personal one, but they have like light rain. Let me turn it up for you. Oh my gosh, just listen. They have light rain. They have fan. You like to hear the fan? They have like a bunch of different stuff. And you can download more too. They have heavy rain. So yeah, Infinite Storm is lit. And they have this cool feature where you could put a timer on. And I usually do 30 minutes. And it'll tell you what time it'll stop. And yeah, like be knocked out. Love that app. Okay, so next is travel. Lyft, Airbnb, Uber. All of those are really explanatory, self-explanatory. Just getting around, traveling, all of that. And then lastly, I guess this file, but this is just for work. GroupMe is what I use. Basically, we swap shifts in GroupMe, because unfortunately I still have to work for a living. I'm a server, obviously, so if you're a server, I highly recommend Tipsy, and it helps you keep track of like the tips that you make, and overall it'll give you like what you make each month, and you can kind of just determine like you want to stay at this job or you want to get another one. And that's pretty much it for the what's on my iPhone. I haven't really finished setting it up, but these are pretty much all the apps that I use. I don't really need nothing else. And I got Sweetie in the back, my baby. She is so freaking cute. Like, look at my, will it let me? Look at my lock screen. But okay guys, that has been the end of the video for the unboxing of my iPhone and what's on my iPhone. I hope you guys enjoyed. Yeah, I'm so excited. Like, I love this phone so much already. Like, I was recording last night. We went on a date, and the camera quality is just chef's kiss. Like, it's amazing. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Go ahead and like this video, comment down below, subscribe to my channel, and turn your post notification bell on. Also, don't forget to follow me on social medias, and I will see you guys the next time I drop a video. I love you guys so much.